Yo, what's up mga runners? So today is the week 3 and day 1 of our marathon training. Our plan today is a 50 minutes aerobic endurance run. So for the first 50 minutes we will run easy run, and we are breaking in our Nike Structure 26. So this is a stability shoe. So papalit natin doon sa Pegasus natin kasi nag-retard na siya. So naka 100 kilometers na yun, and try naman natin to. So kakabili lang natin. So let's see. Tara, takbo guys. 3K in guys, 21 minutes, last 5. Let's go. 6 kilometers in, 42 minutes and 58 seconds. Last 2 guys. Let's go. 8 kilometers, 56:45. So that's our 8K aerobic endurance run. So natapos naman natin, and parang not so easy naman siya, pero easy run. So I think medyo hingal lang ako today kasi puyat. Pero yun, natapos naman natin yung 8K na schedule natin ngayon. For the quick shoe review ng ating Nike Structure 26, okay na okay siya bilang stability shoe kasi nandun yung mid-foot support niya. Tapos yung shock absorption niya andun din, and yung bounciness andun din. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-bouncy kasi siguro yung foam na ginamit is the React X. Okay siya for me. So pwede itong ipalit dun sa Pegasus 41 ko. So halos same lang yung performance, mas makapal lang to and mas bouncy. So yun lang. I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life, for your better living. So run safe palagi guys. Peace and bye bye.